How to fix Twitch not sending verification code. Now, I cannot tap the application and record because that due to the security region Twitch does not allow, but I'll guide you through all the steps. So the common causes and quick fixes are the incorrect format. You need to double check that your phone number is entered with the correct country code. Now, Twitch does not accept VoIP numbers like Google Voice, Skype, or TextNow for SMS verification. You need to ensure you are using a standard mobile phone, and if that doesn't solve the problem, you need to restart your network. So simply head up to the navigation bar and try toggling airplane mode on. Now simply wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and after that turn it off and switch back to your internet connection. Now head back and try restarting your device. Now tap on restart and it will clear temporary network issues, and after you restart, simply close back and try reopening the Twitch application and see if your error is fixed. If not, then what you can do is hold on to the app for some time and tap on the app info icon. Now go to the storage section and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, tap on delete and head back and tap on force stop and tap on OK, and now just remove from the recents, and that's it guys. Now try logging into your Twitch account. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, like and subscribe to the channel.